talking to the Songbird yesterday. I flew her to the place not far away. She's a little bar that's in my mind. Sing a song for love to pass the time. Gonna write a song so she can sleep. Giving her the love she gives to me. Talk about the days that are yet to come. Never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. I can never dream this kind of thing, especially when she came and sped away. We spent a mile and where the things I like. Then she flew away into the night. Gonna write a song so she can sleep. Giving her the love she gives to me. And talk about the days that are yet to come. Never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone. She's not anyone.
Salvo Leone, Antonio Russo, il carissimo maestro Davide Castellana e Giusy Sanalitro, questa è sfida. Avete una settimana di tempo per videoregistrarvi mentre vi dedicate una canzone. In caso contrario dovete offrire una cena a me e a Mr. Chuck. Ciao!